Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you what you should be doing if your Argos items arrive damaged or faulty. So in this situation, what you should do is, first thing, you have to go and log in into your account. So on the web address bar, type in argos.co.uk. So when you type in a link, it's going to take you to the official page, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to this page. So over here, go to the account section. So if your item was damaged when you received it, you'll need to contact the support team about arranging an exchange or replacement or a refund. In some cases, they may be able to offer you a discount to keep the item if it's something purely cosmetic, and that you'd be happy to keep for a partial refund as well. So for that, you have to go ahead and scroll down a bit and go to contact us. When you do that, you have to go ahead and state about the issues. You need to go ahead and type in the message as damaged item. When you locate the terms, then you'll be provided with a list of articles on what you should be doing and all that. So accordingly, you could go through it and read the instructions and all that, and you should be going through all of these steps and all. The customer service team is going to look into your matter. So from there, you can go ahead and instruct, just follow the prompt according. So that is what you should be doing if your Argos item was arrived damaged or faulty. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.